Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you're gonna learn how to do Vlookup in Google Spreadsheet. Okay, Vlookup is very tricky, so you need to focus a little bit. Yeah. Okay. In order for you to do Vlookup, first of all, you need to know which one is search key, which one is range, and which one is index. Okay, name is your search key. Okay, range is the entire table and index the column. So for you to understand better, I will show you how. Okay, open another sheet and I already write the title here. So let's say we want to know about NISA marks. Okay, go to January and type equal and state the function, which is VLOOKUP. So search key, I already told you the search key is the name. So name, okay, this is C8. And then comma, go to sheet 1 and select the entire table. See, Google Spreadsheet is smart. Okay, and then comma. So it will ask for index. Okay, we want to know, okay, we want to know January. So January is in second column. So write 2 and then comma, write false. Okay, and then enter. Just like that, we know that NISA marks January is 85. Okay, let's search it. Let's check it here. Correct, it's 85. Okay, if you want to try again, okay, this VLOOKUP, okay, and then C at comma, okay, select the entire table and then comma, okay, February is in third column, so type 3 and then comma, type false, okay, and then just enter. So we know that NISA mark in February is 82. See, exact match. So I think that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.